In this video, we will demonstrate some of the extended functionalities of the EZHi system. We can connect household loads to the off-grid cable's power outlet. When we connect a fan to the power outlet, we can see the fan start on. It will prioritize using the electricity generated by the solar panels. However, if it is nighttime, it will then utilize the stored energy from the batteries. Our EZHi system features EPS functionality. When we unplug the AC plug from the system to simulate the power outage, we can observe that the fan remains working, no matter which operating mode is used. The EZHi operates with ultra-silence performance. Through the current flow diagram, we can see that the EZHi system is currently supplying power to the load. Furthermore, the EZHi system also supports the integration of the EZ1 system. If you already have an EZ1 system installed, you can simply plug the AC plug into the off-grid socket of the EZHi system, allowing the two systems to seamlessly integrate and work together. Through the current flow diagram, we can observe that the EZ1 system is charging the battery.